अस्सलाम वालेकुम डियर फ्रेंड्स। कल हमारे यूट्यूब में कल के वीडियो में हमने ये बात की थी कि नाउन हमारे पास दो किस्म के होते हैं। नंबर हमारे पास दो तरह के होते हैं, एक को हम सिंगुलर और दूसरे को हम प्लूरल कहते हैं। सो अब आ जाते हैं इसकी फार्मेशन पे कि हाउ टू फार्म प्लूरल फ्रॉम सिंगुलर नाउन्स। सो फर्स्ट रूल हमारे पास ये है कि प्लूरल्स आर फॉर्म्ड बाय एडिंग एस टू द सिंगुलर वर्ब्स एट द एंड। किसी वर्ड के एंड में जनरली हम क्या करते हैं, एस लगा के उसका प्लूरल बना देते हैं। एग्जाम्पल बॉय, सो बॉय इज, हमने क्या किया हुआ है, वी ऐड सिंपली ओनली जनरली एस टू मेक इट प्लूरल, सो दिस इज। And we have another example, pen, at the end we have only one letter, that is s, generally added, and singular pen, it becomes the plural pens. Here comes the next rule. Some nouns ending in s, sh, ch or x form their plural by adding es to the singular. Keep remember, when some nouns when ending in s, ending in ch, ending in sh or ending in x, they are made plural by adding es at the end of their singular noun. How? Look at the example. We have the singular noun class, so class, at the end we can see the s, so we have to add what, add es at the end of the noun, so it becomes the plural. Another example, dish, at the end we can find there are two words sh, the noun is ending in sh, so its plural be dishes, at the end we have to add es. Another examples are branches. You can see es at the end, and tax at the end. Es, when becomes plural, it becomes taxes. Okay, as earlier we have talked, when we have x or ch, we add what? We add es at the end of the noun to make it to make them plural. Next is most nouns end in o. Keep remember, most nouns ending in o also form their plural by adding es at the end of the singular noun. By adding, जब कोई noun है वो o पे ख़त्म हो रहा हो, किस पे, o पे ख़त्म हो रहा हो, तो हम उसके साथ क्या ऐड करेंगे, es ऐड करेंगे. Look at the example. So we have the singular is buffalo, but how the plural it will be, its plural will be buffaloes by the addition of es at the end of the noun. Next we have mangoes, so mangoes, at the end you can see es, addition of es, and it is making plural. नेक्स्ट वी हैव पोटैटो एंड पोटैटोज, एंड पे हमें नज़र आ रहा है कि ओ है और ओ के आखिर में हमने ई एस ऐड कर दिया है, एंड इट बिकम्स प्लूरल. नेक्स्ट इज अ फ्यू नाउन्स एंडिंग इन ओ, एड ओनली एस. कीप रिमेंबर, एड ओनली एस, जो ओ पे ख़त्म होते हैं. कुछ चंद ऐसे नाउन जो हैं जो हमारे पास एस ओ पे ख़त्म होते हैं, लेकिन उन पे हम एस लगाते हैं. जैसे रेशो से रेशोज़, ओ पे ख़त्म है, बट हमने ऊपर वाली बात जैसे हमने कहा था कि ई एस ऐड करते हैं, बट सम ऑफ फ्यू, देयर आर फ्यू नाउन्स दे एंड इन ओ, बट ओनली एड एस एट द एंड ऑफ द नाउन. Likewise, pianos, we are not adding es at the end of this word, at the end of this noun. Piano, so pianos, only adding s to make it plural. And we have next case, nouns that ends in y, that ends in y. preceded by a consonant, form their plural by changing y into I and add es. Keep remember, preceded by a consonant, any of the noun that is ending in y and before y there comes a consonant. There comes what? There comes a consonant. So the y will be changed into I. Y will be changed into I, and after I we have to put es. We have to add es to make it plural. How? Look at the example. We have a story, and if you see, before y there comes a consonant, and the consonant that is r. R is a consonant, and we have to change y into I and add es at the end of the noun. Now look at here, by plural, by making plural, we add ies to make one story to more stories. Same like ladies y into change into I and added mazid, further addition of ies. Next, the following nouns ending in frfe. Following nouns ending in frfe form their plural by changing frfe into v. हम f और एफ ई को एंड में चेंज करेंगे किस चीज़ में? v में, एंड बाय further addition of es at the end of that noun. So keep remember, these are, here we have a thief to thieves, life to lives, loaf to loaves, half to halves, chef to chefs, and further we have wife to wives, calf, calves, knife to knives, elf to elves, wolf to wolves, and further we have leaf, leaves, shelf, shelves, and self, selves. These following nouns. Okay, so these are only nouns, only these are the nouns that make their plural by changing f and fe into ves, v, and after addition of ees. These are the only nouns. Keep remember, these are the only nouns which change into ves. Rest of the nouns will not be changed, are likewise. Next we have, there are four nouns. There are four nouns that are dwarf, hoof, scarf, and wharf. Take either s or ves in the plural. So we have only these fours. You may change them into plural either of addition of s or ves. It's about all your choice. How? Look at the example. Dwarf are dwarves, hoofs are hooves, and wharfs are wharves. And next example we have, other words end in f or fe add only s. बाकी जो हमारे पास जितने भी वर्ड होंगे, जैसे जो भी एफ और एफ ई पे ख़त्म होंगे, उनके साथ हम प्लूरल बनाते हुए ओनली किस चीज़ का इजाफा करेंगे? एस का इजाफा करेंगे, वी या वी ई एस का इजाफा नहीं करेंगे. लुक एट द एग्जांपल. वी हैव chief to chiefs, safe to safes, proof to proofs, cliff, cliffs, gulf, gulfs, and handkerchief to handkerchiefs. Keep remember, these are the examples. Most of other nouns ending in f only add s, but as earlier we have discussed, some of the nouns which were ending in fe or fes, these were okay. These are the only nouns that add what? That add ves when making plural. सिर्फ यही नाउन्स हैं जिनके साथ हम वी ई एस लगा के इनको प्लूरल करते हैं। इनके अलावा आपको ये चार जो नज़र आ रहे हैं, दीज फोर, कीप रिमेंबर दीज ओनली फोर नाउन्स मेक देयर प्लूरल by addition of either s or ves. It's your choice how to make how to make plural. It's about all your choice. हेयर आप अपनी मर्जी से इसको ड्वार्फ्स भी कर सकते हैं, मीन यू मे ओनली एड एस, आर यू मे चेंज टू वी ई एस, इट्स योर चॉइस. And rest of the nouns which are ending in f or fe, they will add s, only s, not ves, keep remember. So this is our today's discussion. Inshallah we will meet in the next video. Take care all of you, and keep watching my videos. And if you are new to my channel, please subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.